So I was saying, I was going down the beach, filler crabs, and we're running into the holes, and it was about half a centimeters, like 3 centimeters deep of water, and I'm racing this horse down the beach, and the filler crabs were going into their holes, and it looked like a force field of little micro dots moving as like a tidal wave in front of the horse going into their holes. It was like woof, 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 woof. So cool looking. That's probably one of the coolest experiences I've ever had. I would love to do that again. Those days are hard to get again. They had horseback riding on the water, and I think they might have just canceled them from. They just now started preventing them from doing it because the horses would dump their dumps in the water, and so they decided that it was a health hazard. Even though the same people are responsible for dumping millions of gallons, 500 million gallons of raw sewage in the water, they got a couple of horses that they're saying are a health hazard, which a little bit weird, but you know, whatever. But yeah, there's no more horseback riding on the beach or in the water. So they used to be able to do it out at the Skyway at the rest stop on St. Petersburg side, not Sarasota side, but St. Petersburg side. And but oh wow, that was weird. It looks like it might rain again. There's a storm coming. That was quick. I didn't even see that coming. This is Pavilion 4. And the goal at the pavilions is to camp, set up base, and to make, you know, dinner, barbecue, cookout. You know, these places are loaded with great times. I used to come out here early in the morning, and I would cook hamburgers on these grills early in the morning, and I'd go out kiteboarding all day long. I'd have hamburgers for breakfast of champion. If you're gonna be out kiting all day, those things stick to you. That and peanut butter or almond butter. I used to do a lot of almond butter, and that stuff will give you energy for the whole day, and it's easy to do. It's so quick and easy to get energy from. I don't do it anymore though. I really watch what I eat now. I eat mostly I eat veggies. So you can get by with just eating veggies too. So veggies. That's my recommendation now. It's not as exciting as eating almond butter, but it's better for your body. That stuff's kind of hard on your intestines and your body. But you can see here, it's water everywhere. It's soaking wet. It looks like it could rain again here too. I didn't notice it before, but now I do. It's getting dark over there. I can't tell because I'm not on the water. I don't know if it's raining. It looks like it's gonna rain. So I think these blackbirds are called macaws. Macaws. And they're very, very smart. They're afraid of humans, though. They're not like seagulls. I know seagulls are pretty brave when it comes to humans. I've actually seen flocks of seagulls come right up to people. Like here's one. They just kind of walk away from you. But these used to be all mangroves. These gray trees, those were mangroves. So sad, because this was just totally lush of mangroves. And I think the rain is almost here. And yeah, everyone's leaving. The rain is coming. But I think it might be a low tide. I'll go out here a little ways, but it's this is the sandbar area at North Beach. This is the sandbar that's, yeah, we're gonna get hit by rain. I'm not too worried about it. Everything here is waterproof, except for the headset, which is pretty hard to ruin. But this is the sandbar that's connecting out here to Fort Desoto Park, North Beach. Be a good day to kiteboard, I know that. Guys, wow. Got here just in time. The rain's coming. You can't even see Egmont. But this looks pretty cool looking. It's nice and windy out. And the rain is coming. Oh, look at this. It's really windy.